How to delete messages on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch your TikTok application. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, simply tap on the inbox section at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on the inbox, it will lead you to all the messages that you have done over the period of time. So let's just scroll down and tap on the message that you want to delete. So I'm going to tap on a random one over here. As you do that, what you can simply do is make a long press on the chat or the message that you want to delete. And then here you'll be able to see the option of delete. So just tap on delete and then tap on delete for me. So what this shows is that the message will be deleted only for you and the other party will be still able to see your messages even if you have deleted. So tap on delete for me and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.